Happy Navarathri. What is Navarathri? For 9 days, people do various fastings and religious things about for the 9 days, and there is a lot of confusion about what to eat, how to maintain the calories. Patients are a lot of diabetics, and what are the good nutrition to keep them going. So let's see. If you look at, there is some different types of foods here. So and this can all be tried during the Navaratri periods. And then let's talk about these are all rich in proteins. So right from hazelnut, almonds, almond flakes, roasted peanuts, walnuts, and then figs, raisins, all those things. And also you can look at different types of seeds that are going on here. Coconut granules, chocolate granules, almonds, and different types of seeds, raise seeds, linseeds, sesame seeds, pumpkins, and sunflowers. Try all those things, and it's quite good to give a little bit of break from the non-vegetarian and try all those different types of calories. And also, what's more important is that you can continue to have fruits throughout the day, and this one can help you. And people can get really good, and especially you can transform as big as that to as lean as me. So this is the biggest pumpkin harvested in Europe. It's 380 kilograms. Trust me, I have seen patients who are almost close to that, and by having this type of fastings would really make a good benefit. And happy Navratri, and please follow us and give thumbs up to London Gaster Care Health. This is what we're going to do to bring a lot of health advices and make it worthwhile. Thank you.